another freaking video. Y'all, it's like 3 in the morning right now and I'm making a YouTube video. Crazy, but it's like, okay, well, this is the time where all of my roommates is asleep, and so I got the time to like make my video. Today's video, we're going to be revamping these braids because look at this bitch braids. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this video. So let's get it. It's a pack and it comes with, this is Ubelico hair. What it says, this is 36 inches, you guys. I'm gonna insert a clip right here what my hair looks like. This is also the length of the hair. Using this water, which is infused with oil, conditioner, and water. Use this braid styling gel. It is a 24-hour tamer, which is this. I'm gonna use a crochet because, like I said, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I install these. Pretty much, I want these braids to look knotless, but I don't want to have to, you know, do that step of knotless braids. So I crochet them in, which I'll show you that step. This is the brush I'm using to brush out my hair, detangle it, and the comb I will be using. I'm gonna take down the front row, all of the front row, well, this side right here, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so we're back. I took one of the braids down and this is what it's looking like. It's super dirty. Y'all can see as I go in on the roots and stuff. So we're gonna spray it, get it all like smoothing out. Now I'm gonna take my hard brush and I'm just gonna like brush through it. We're gonna go ahead and take some of this gel right here, about this much. We're gonna start applying it on the box. You want to get your crochet and you want to pull your crochet through your braid. And you want to put your hair on that. If y'all don't know how to crochet, you might have to look up the video because I'm not really here to explain how to crochet. And you loop that hair through. Crocheting is pretty self-explanatory. Anyways, so you start pulling that hair through that. Make sure every hair has followed through. Start lining the hair up, and then there you go, you got it. And now you want to start braiding. Trying to get as close as I can for you guys. Okay guys, so that's the first one. I want to let you guys know that it's super freaking lightweight. All these braids I have on my head is lightweight because I use this method. It's super easy, you know, you can always reinstall however you want to do. I want to let you guys know this how it looks and everything when it goes up. It's super well put together. It's an overall cute method. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up these next few next two that I have to do. And yeah, once I speed up these two, we're gonna be done with this quick little tutorial, because I don't want you guys to be here this entire time trying to look at a freaking hour-long video of me taking down all these braids. But I'm only going to show you guys this little few row that I did, and the other ones I'm going to do totally off camera. It's not even going to be a rest of the video of me showing anything else besides these three. And then I'm going to upload a photo at the end of what they originally looked like before they got all nasty looking. Okay, so you guys, these are all done. Y'all can obviously tell the difference. Which is that, oh my gosh, I need to really redo this middle one. We're gonna do that another day, maybe. Oh my gosh, you can tell which side like just got done and like which side needs to get redone. Anyways, you guys, so I'm gonna do my edges and we're gonna go ahead and end out this video after that, because I'm not exhausted, but I'm ready to go to sleep for sure. And this is how I revamp my braids. How y'all liking them? Oh shoot, well, I'm gonna give y'all a before and after the picture somewhere right here to show you guys what it looked like before, but you can obviously see the difference from the sides. Anyways, you guys, so that is all for this freaking video. I have like 2 video ideas that I'm going to be uploading next week. I'm gonna try to upload a video every weekend because those are my less busiest days, okay? So y'all bear with me. Stay tuned for the next video and we're out. Bye.